We have information that 2 terrorists have been killed in Nogam sector. Search operations are still on. We're getting information that Indian Army has foiled an infiltration bid. JEM terrorists, sources say that JEM terrorists were trying to infiltrate across the border and 2 terrorists have been gunned down. We will have Zeenat with us. We have Zeenat joining us on this live coverage. Zeenat, what can you tell us about the search operations that are going on in Nogam?
See, the search operation started in the morning, though there was a retaliation of the fire that took place late evening. It was the intervening night of today when the army retaliated because they observed some suspicious movement at the Nogam sector in Handwara area of Kupwara district, and the 1/1 GR, which is posted there, regiment is posted there. They fired upon this suspicious movement, and in the morning they started the search operations were launched in this sector. And today, just a while back, just two of the recovered the bodies of the 2 of the militants, though the identity is yet to be revealed. But the search operation at present is going on in Handwara area of Kupwara district, that is near to the line of control near the Nogam sector at present.
Zeenat, if you can tell us if there are any more terrorist casualties in that area. Has Indian Army managed to gun down more terrorists there?
See, as I told you that the army launched a massive search operations in the Nogam sector near the line of control because they observed some suspicious movement late night. So the firing, they fired upon the suspicious movement. But in the morning, when the search and the cordon operations were launched, because they had an apprehension that during late night evenings firing, many of the militants might have gunned down who were trying to sneak in this part of the territory. And after the search operations were launched, the 2 of the bodies of the militants were recovered. As per the sources in the army are telling us, there have been many attempts made by the Jaish-e-Mohammed as well as the LAT militants for the last more than 2 months now, because summer is at peak and the infiltration will continue to take place in these sectors till August. So this was another attempt of infiltration that was foiled by the Indian Army posted there. 4/1R regiment is posted there, who were able to gun down these militants in late evening, but the bodies were recovered just a while back.
Exactly, Zeenat. We will keep a close watch on the developments in Nogam, and we'll get our viewers all the latest updates from there. Thank you very much for joining us, Zeenat.
Welcome.
It's time for a short break on the news. More news and updates continue on the other side.